Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to forward all your Hotmail emails to another account. Yeah, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or anything else. It's pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. So, let's get into it. All right, first thing, go ahead and sign in to your Hotmail or Outlook account using your email and password. Uh, if you're already signed in, that's great. You can skip this part. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top right corner and click the little gear icon, the settings icon. This opens the quick settings panel. In the side panel that pops up, scroll down a bit and click View All Outlook Settings. Hotmail hides the forwarding option there, so yeah, we need the full settings menu. In the settings window, choose Mail on the left and then tap Forwarding. It's usually near the bottom, so don't worry if you need to scroll. Now toggle on the option that says Enable Forwarding, and then type the email address you want your messages forwarded to. I mean, make sure it's spelled correctly because even a tiny typo can break it. You'll also see a checkbox that says Keep a copy of forwarded messages. If you want Hotmail to store a second copy, make sure this box is checked. Yeah, I recommend keeping it on. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save at the bottom. And that's basically it. Hotmail will now forward every new message to the account you entered. Just to be sure everything works, send yourself a quick test email from another account. You should see it appear both in Hotmail and in the forwarded inbox. If not, double check the settings. And that's it. You now know how to forward your Hotmail emails automatically to another account. If this helped you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.